Free. Yes, I am now.
Awesome.
Okay, recording.
Perfect. There we go.
TypeStudio. You're in Berlin, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like right now, I'm actually not. I'm in a smaller town where my parents live because we went home over Easter. But our office and everything is in Berlin, and we are living in Berlin right now. Yeah.
Okay, superb. So video editing made simple.
There you
All
go.
right,
Yeah.
superb. And okay, brilliant.
And you're from France, from Paris?
From
Actually,
Paris,
or?
France. Yeah.
Paris.
Well,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Capital.
Yeah. Well, whatever. I'm not in Paris right now either, but I'm in Paris. And
Okay.
this is Nicolas coming to join us as well. So great.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hello,
Nice to
how are
meet you.
How are
Hi.
you?
Doing good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Awesome. Great. Well, yeah, nice to meet you guys. Do you have like any questions already that I can answer, or where should we start with the demo?
We start from scratch, please, because I just bought your software with a lot of trust, so I want to have a demo.
Thank you for that. First of all, do you want to do the demo on your computer, and I will tell you what to do, or do you want me to?
I'd love to. Yeah, I'd love to do that.
Okay.
Cool. So yeah, go ahead, and I will. Just like answer any questions when they come up, or like walk you through the.
Okay. So should I record something quickly so I have a text in French? Because
you can also do that. Yeah, we also have a demo project or a demo video in there that you can like play around with. But if you want to use your own, you can. Also
all right. So do you mind if I do record something? Let me share my screen.
Sure.
For you with for a minute. So I'll share my screen right now. This is a demo. So I'm using Loom to record something, and I'll record that in French.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Bonjour, aujourd'hui on va avoir une démonstration de TypeStudio, un logiciel fait en Allemagne par un mec qui a l'air très sympa, c'est Eric, et je suis connecté avec Nicolas. Salut Nicolas.
Salut Jean-Philippe.
Tu peux nous raconter une histoire, Nicolas?
Alors, je peux vous raconter plein d'histoires. J'ai des très très belles histoires à raconter. Alors, j'ai des histoires qui sont des histoires évidemment, des histoires très inquiétantes qu'on ne raconte pas aux enfants. Et puis j'ai d'autres histoires très belles.
Et si on met des mots compliqués pour voir un peu
alors,
comme
par
chewing gum.
Alors, chewing gum, ou par exemple, on pourrait aussi essayer de voir quel est le type de rapport qui pourrait. Un rapport synalagmatique, par exemple, il faudrait poser la question de savoir si on peut avoir des rapports synalagmatiques et à quel rythme. Et la périodicité aussi de ces rapports-là est très importante.
The problem is Eric doesn't understand what we're saying, but we're trying to use all kinds of words to see what's difficult for the software. And also now I'm talking in English, so we'll see if it can switch from a language to another. Super, Nicolas. Merci.
Je vous en prie.
On y va. So I stop the video right now, recording, and we'll get the feed.
You already have an account.
I catch a few parts where you said let's try something complicated or something like that. I catch something like you say complicated. I'm not sure if I got it right, but it felt like okay, you were going like trying to really hard to try different words and all of that stuff.
As we should.
Yeah, sure. But actually, I can already tell you that it's not possible to have two different languages in one video, and so you have to
choose.
Choose the language before you upload the video.
At the beginning, okay.
Yeah, exactly, and then it will detect the language that you told him to do.
Okay,
super. Okay, so I'm downloading the video right now.
Perfect.
And we'll get that soon. If it works.
Tu as déjà un compte, Jean-Philippe, en fait, c'est ça, hein?
De quoi? Oui, j'ai un compte payant. Ouais.
Ok.
All right, so j'ai un compte payant affiché dans le 2. C'est pour ça, ça va. So yeah, I already have an account, so we'll be able to test with my own version on my own account. Okay, so I have the video here. TypeStudio test 1. All right, so I have a video. It's on my desktop right now. Let me share the screen with you guys.
Yeah.
Here we go. Sorry, you're blind, and now you can see.
Yep.
Yes.
So where do I click to upload my video?
What do you think? Like, what you do right now? Maybe if you go like
new project.
There you go. Perfect.
Video language.
Okay.
Yeah. So I understand we have to mention the video language before we upload.
Okay.
Exactly.
So here we go. Upload limit. I have 600 minutes. Upload a video, drag and drop. Cool. Videos here. TypeStudio test. There we go.
You can upload a .move, .mp4.
Yeah, MOV move works as well. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's like a little survey that we do. You don't have to do it. It just helps us to understand better like who's using TypeStudio.
Okay.
It's just for the first time you upload your first video, we have this little survey. You can also like skip it, but
Okay.
it definitely helps us to like understand the use cases and like which features we should build in the future for these specific use cases.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess it's uploading my video now.
Exactly. So what we're doing is we are actually uploading and transcribing the video in the background already. So while you did the survey, it already did like half of the video. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice design that you asked me 3 questions to make me wait.
Thank you. Yeah, it's probably the best time to ask a survey while something is happening in the background. Otherwise, you would just like slow down your process. So yeah, for the upload, it normally takes like half of the video length or a little longer than that, because we need to like transcribe, like go through the whole video and transcribe it. But yeah, sometimes if you have like a 1 hour video, it actually can take some time. So it might make sense to upload the video, do something else in the meantime, and then come back once the video is
okay. So what I can see is that when I was talking, we are on a video call right now using Zoom. When I was talking, it got my voice quite correctly. The only words it didn't get was the English words. Yeah. But when we switched to, when I said, okay, today we will have a demonstration of TypeStudio in terms of TypeStudio, a software made in Germany by a man that seems a nice guy. He's called Eric, and I'm connected with Nicolas right now. Hello, Nicolas. Can you tell us?
You don't get my
yeah.
What you can also do, you can like click in the video right now. For example, if you click salute on Nicolas and then you click play, it will actually, I think we are not hearing the if you click play right there.
Sorry, I need to share. Okay, no problem. I share my audio on Zoom.
Awesome.
And there we go. So I'm positioned here. Salut Nicolas. And now we listen. Nicolas.
Ok.
Tu peux nous raconter une histoire, Nicolas? C'est juste. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's my recording.
I think
my Loom recording.
Only your.
Yeah, okay, got it.
That's because Loom didn't record the whole call.
Got it. Got it. I understand.
Okay,
and now the dots is the time. It's a measurement of time. Yeah.
Exactly. So
how long it took.
Yeah, each dot represents a quarter of a second.
Okay.
And what you can do now, you can go in, like if you double click on the dots, you can actually add words there. For the words that it didn't catch, and that will automatically add this to the subtitles. Right now, you also added a.
We have subtitle here. Okay.
Exactly. So these, like the text that's on the left side, is actually automatically converted into subtitles. And now, if you add some words to the pauses, it actually shows the words at these exact timestamps.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, and the same for, like, for example, the TypeStudio, that's like a name, and names are always like hard to recognize. So you can go in there and correct it to TypeStudio. Yeah, exactly. And what you did there with the enter, that's maybe a little unintuitive. What you do with pressing enter is you add a break, and now you can hover over the line that you added. If you go to the left. And then, there you see this like little minus. If you click that, the minus.
Got it.
Yeah. It will actually go back. Okay. But you can go in there if you have longer text and want to organize it. You can go in there and press the break key to organize the text a little bit.
Of course, it will not pronounce TypeStudio, which I just keyed in, but it will put it as subtitle. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So all the correction is for the transcript, so the text you can download, and also for the subtitles, but it won't affect the sound or the video itself.
So if I want to cut my friend from here to here, okay. So if I want to cut that,
there you have to go back to video editing mode, because right now you're in
text correction mode. Video editing mode. Okay, superb.
Okay. And now you can go in and for example,
So here I have Nicolas. Salut Nicolas. So let's listen to it first. T'es avec Nicolas. Salut Nicolas. So if I want to cut this Nicolas here, or these two words, avec Nicolas, okay. So I just do that intuitively. Yeah,
Exactly.
correct. Okay, got
Exactly.
it. And if I listen to everything, c'est Eric et je suis connecté. Salut Nicolas.
Okay.
So yeah,
It's not sexy.
that's how the editing works. It works better, of course, if you have like longer sentences that you want to cut out. If it's just single words, it's sometimes like a little harsh, but also the rendering is a little better than the preview. So if you export the video, it normally gets a little better as well.
And you put fade in, fade out?
Yeah, a little bit, but like I said, if it's like if you're in between two words where you talk really fast, then it's really hard to like.
Of course.
Sure.
Of course. So let's try again, because that's really a wow effect. Congratulations. So, tu peux nous raconter une histoire à Nicolas? C'est juste. Voilà. So, je vais enlever c'est juste. I'll cancel c'est juste. Okay. So, salut.
Tu peux nous raconter
Nicolas.
une histoire ou
On peut pas rajouter de mots. Hein, on peut que en enlever.
Ouais, mais alors attends, tu peux nous raconter une histoire. Par exemple, tu peux nous raconter une histoire, Nicolas, si on met des mots compliqués pour voir comme chewing gum.
Alors attends, on va écouter le truc. Sorry, Eric, we're trying in French. Sorry.
Yeah.
So you can tell us a story, Nicolas. Okay. Tu peux nous raconter une histoire, Nicolas?
Okay.
C'est juste. Voilà. En fait, mon A, c'est un E d'hésitation.
Oui.
So if I cancel this one, which I do like this, and then we listen
on va
again.
voir si ça donne ça, ouais.
Tu peux nous raconter une histoire, Nicolas? C'est juste.
Okay. You can edit very precisely.
Yeah, it is precisely, but it depends on how like the speech flow is pretty much.
Yeah, sure.
Et si on met des mots compliqués pour voir un peu. So, et si on met, je peux l'enlever.
Oui.
Ça, je l'enlève. Hop. Et là, c'est juste. Et si on met des mots, normalement, on devrait avoir. C'est juste. All right, sorry, he's hesitating. Et si on met des mots compliqués pour voir un peu comme chewing gum. Ouais, that's nice.
Yeah.
Is that a French word as well? Chewing gum?
Chewing gum? Yeah, we
okay, we call it chewing gum. Okay.
Yeah, we call it chewing gum, yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
C'est pas mal, hein?
Very nice.
And you get the video with jump cuts?
Yeah, exactly. So the cuts right now are like jump cuts because we don't have like video transitions yet, but that's actually something that we're working on as well. Yeah.
Ah oui,
so
ça c'est pour les exports aussi. Export. Okay.
Yeah, so the first thing is I can upload videos and export the text. So that's one. Subtitle, whatever format I want. Yeah. So let's import that one, and this is it.
Ah oui, d'accord. Tu peux faire les transcripts.
So that's a full text. So you record, you have a transcript automatically. You can save it to wherever you want, or you can download the SRT with timing.
Okay.
And you have the timing as well.
Okay,
so that's cool.
Ça c'est pas mal. Pour l'intégrer derrière, c'est pas mal, ouais.
C'est cool. What else can we do? Export. What is this?
Export in video
when done.
Yeah, that's when you're done. You can export the finished video, but there are a few. We can do it now. But there are more things. You can also. Right now we went in the rendering, but you can always hit the type logo in the top left to go back. Yeah, that always brings you back to this.
So then I don't have to wait. Okay.
Exactly, but now you can see if you hover over the video. You can see it says rendering in progress.
Okay.
And when the rendering is done, it will actually show you a green button that says rendering done. And then if you click on the button, it will bring you to the rendered video automatically. Now, if you click on the project, you can actually go back to the editing. And if you have any changes or anything that you still want to do, you can go in there. Yeah, right. Give it a name.
Okay. Subtitle is what is premium feature, statistic, dynamic. Oh yeah, okay. You can have dynamic subtitle.
Okay. Yeah, for videos up to I think 3 minutes, and
you can translate.
Exactly, and that's I think you signed up for the basic plan. Is that right?
Yes, I did. Yes.
And the translation is actually part of the pro plan because that's like another level where people want to like translate the subtitles to other languages.
I'm a basic guy.
You're a basic guy.
Basic
gives you all the functionality that you need, all the editing, all the styling, and everything. But
what is the URL to see the plans? Oh, that's not
pricing,
this one.
I think. But you can click on pricing.
Yeah, got it. So it's coming somehow. Okay, no, so pricing. Okay,
company slash pricing. I'm
Choose
sorry.
your plan. Okay, so what I pay now is I pay this basic plan, $12 a month, so €10 a month, for 10 hours video upload per month, and upload and download, right?
Exactly. Yeah. And so we measure the upload because that's when we transcribe the video, and then you can download it as often as you want, pretty much.
So I have unlimited number of projects, 1 hour video length maximum per video.
Per video, exactly.
10 hours per month, 100 gig unlimited downloads, 1 gigabyte file size. Oh, okay, 1 gigabyte file size. Okay, and export quality is good.
1080, okay.
The file size actually right now is a technical problem. You see even in the Pro plan we have 1 gigabyte max because we're working on increasing that, but we are not there yet. It will be 2 gigabytes soon, but that's
okay. For every plan, it will be 2 gigs soon.
Yeah. We have to discuss that. We haven't talked about if we add it to the basic plan as well, but right from the technical.
So you support a lot of languages.
Okay.
Yeah.
Translation too.
Yeah, I think translation is for all the languages as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can click that.
Oh yeah, so translation is a pro feature.
Exactly, that's the only difference feature-wise from the.
I don't see it here though.
Yeah, it's it's there. It actually says it's part of the basic as well. Oh yeah, when we first released it, we made it part of the basic plan to give it to all our users to test.
Oh, so you give it to me as part of the basic plan. That's cool. Thank you, Eric. I can understand how. I can understand that you're always happy to help. It says here. Yeah, I see. Thank you so much.
I will write that down directly.
Thank you. Yes, please. Okay, I'm a crook. Okay, export. Okay, so basically, Eric, that's all it does. Yeah, we've been through everything.
Yeah, there are a few things left.
But it does it very well. Yes.
So one is the subtitle styling. If you click on the subtitles in the video.
Yes, sure. Here? No.
I mean in the video itself. Yeah, exactly there.
Oh yeah, okay.
You can actually go ahead and change the color and exactly like you just make them bigger, move them around, and they will show up there where you put them.
Par un mec qui a l'air très sympa, c'est Eric.
Yeah,
je suis connecté. Salut Nicolas.
You have to put them in the middle of the video so that they don't.
Yes, sure. I was trying to see what.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, over my silly face. Okay, super. Can you decide where to cut the subtitles?
Not yet, but it's interesting that you mentioned that. We thought about doing that. Then we had not many people requesting it, but I think it makes sense for some.
Intuitively, because you have these brackets here. I understand you can resize things, but I thought that you could say, "Oh, I want the subtitle." Oh, I see. That's proportional now.
But you need
a timeline. Proportional, exactly. Yeah, that's a decision we made.
But you need a timeline to do that.
True. Yeah. So what we thought we can do is have little markers in the text on the left, and these markers tell you when the cut is made, pretty much. But
just like in the movie industry.
Yeah.
Comme chewing gum.
Ouais, il faut comme sur une rythmo, comme dans la rythmo, donc il faut avoir une timeline en fait pour faire ça.
So if I export this result, will I see the subtitles below?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. The problem is Eric doesn't understand
what you did right now is resize the video and move it around. You can also what you looked at earlier. If you go to original at the top, you can change the format and, for example, make it a square video, and then move the video in there, and it will render a portrait or square, whatever you choose.
And you can export separately.
Exactly. If you want to have it for different social media.
Or in Final Cut Pro.
Or do that exactly.
Okay. Precisely put the subtitles.
Exactly, and put them
that's cool.
So that they match. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So that helps. And then one last.
Yes.
Sorry.
Please go.
Okay, one last thing that we just added. If you mark a part in the text, like a sentence or something. And then.
Oh, sorry. Video editing. I need to go to text. Yeah.
I think you can even do it in both of them. Doesn't matter, but you can. And then you mark a part of the text, like if you want to cut it.
So cut here. Okay.
No, I mean, like just mark a part of the sentence, like go over it with like.
Oh,
like
sorry.
Sorry, no. Yeah, there you go, like this. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, then you actually have to do it in the video editing. I'm sorry.
Video editing, no problem. Video editing. Okay. Raconter une histoire, tell a story. Okay.
Like this, and then the other icon, that one. If you click that, it will actually add a text to the video, not a subtitle, but another text that you can use to add a headline, for example. If you want to, if you're talking about something and you want to add the key
comment.
Yeah, a comment, exactly.
Oh, in the timeline.
Okay.
Timeline comment, right?
Yeah, timeline comment, whatever. Like, for example, if I'm explaining this tool and I'm saying, okay, you can add subtitles, add text,
okay, got it.
Resize the video. You can do that, and that will be shown for the part where you marked the sentence before.
And you can format it, the color and the size of the.
Exactly, like what you did with the subtitles as well.
Okay.
The same way. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Does it? Are these marks compatible with the YouTube chaptering? You know, when you have a video on YouTube,
yeah,
you have. Okay, hold on.
You have chapters now.
You have chapters like this.
Yeah. I know that. We do that as well for our videos. No, it's actually
that'd be great if from TypeStudio you could have these popped in. That'd be great. Add a YouTube chapter. Yeah.
That's a great idea, actually. That's a great idea to maybe even just export the timestamps for the YouTube description or something like
that. I only charge €12 per month times 12 months for the idea.
But you are in the pro plan, Jean-Philippe, no?
Yeah, exactly. All right. You had a question, Nicholas, as well?
No.
It's really cool.
What you can do with the markers now is if you hover over the text icon, the one that says T, and then you can actually drag and drop it around in the text. Yeah, you can move it somewhere else.
Ah, oui, okay.
And
you can use it in another time on the same video.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that decides how long the text will be shown in the video from the first marker.
Okay.
If you click on
that's the start.
That's a sort of timeline. Okay.
Exactly. That's how the timeline works in TypeStudio.
Okay.
Much. Yeah.
Ah oui, c'est pas mal ça.
Ok, super.
Ça veut dire qu'on peut faire un titre, par exemple. We can put a title on 10 seconds.
Exactly. If you want to put a title for the first sentence, you just mark the first sentence and then you add the text.
And you can have subtitles and a title?
Yeah,
both?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can have, for example, subtitles below and then the title at the top. Yeah. Exactly.
Super.
And then one last thing maybe is if you have a longer text, you can also use the search icon.
Oui, super.
This one, and then if it's this one is just a short video, but if you have a longer one and you want to look for a specific,
you want to find a word.
Yeah, exactly. You can also do that.
Right, that's cool.
Pas mal, hein?
Yeah, but that's pretty much all there is. We can now go back to the home screen again, to the project overview.
Can you replace? No, you can't. You can't replace in the subtitle. Like if for example this, let's say I talk about TypeStudio, but you remember it misspelled TypeStudio.
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess I could say Nicholas and it would misspell Nicholas. Well, let's say for example that in that example you have in front of you right now, Nicholas is misspelled because actually Nicholas' name is with a K. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what I did.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're in the video editing right now. But
no
you
problem.
Can undo.
So it would be great if I could search all the Nicholas and replace them with Nicholas.
Okay. Yeah, it's another great idea. Another $12 a month.
Because I guess that one mistake might reappear many times.
It's gonna be very expensive for you, Eric.
I often advise companies.
It's gonna be very expensive.
Okay.
I know that guy.
Yeah. All right.
That's
superb.
But it is a great idea. Find and replace pretty much for mistakes. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Exact. Super. What else? So we need to upload the videos. You don't have access directly to a Google Drive or something with videos.
Not yet. But that's another thing that we heard a lot. Like, or from directly from Loom. Enter Loom for upload. Yeah. Sure. We're working on that, but it's another thing that's on our roadmap. I think for the next like 2 months probably.
Sure. Do you
And
share
the
your roadmap as
transitions
well?
and the quality of transition, fade in, fade out.
Yeah. So what exactly do you like? Do you mean like the audio or having something in the video?
In the video.
Yeah.
Or maybe both. Maybe both.
Okay.
Because when you don't have a second of silence, sure, that will be difficult to edit sound properly. But in video, you know, some transition is very simple. That's the audio is important.
Yeah, that's a great idea. It's actually something that we haven't talked about that much recently because most of our users are pretty happy with the with what it looks like at the end. But yeah, it's definitely another thing that we can should do at one point. Also, you just clicked on the chat earlier, the get help icon on the bottom right. Normally we are trying to answer as quick as possible if you write something there.
Is the chat bot?
Yeah, it's a chat. No, it's not a chat box. It's actually ourselves.
Okay.
And I think it just came in right now, and I will be able to yeah, there we go.
That's cool.
But you know, I'm in French. I'm speaking so fast. I need to talk slowly.
Yeah. I mean, normally it also it picks up the language if you. No, I just replied in the chat actually. It picks up, but the cuts are nicer if you leave some breaks and if you when you want to cut something there. But if you have, for example, a mistake or you blooper, if you say something you didn't want to say, you can just wait a little bit and then it makes it easier to cut it afterwards.
Like in video. Okay.
Would be great. You're offering a translation. Okay, so that'd be great if you could actually say, "Oh, I want to translate that into Spanish," and work with a translation service that sends the video. A human translator translates it, and I get it back in Spanish.
You mean even the audio of it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
a one click. A one click.
With a voiceover. You can get a voiceover back.
Yeah, a one click. I want the video translated, and I get it back.
Like in documentary.
So all right, and then a platform business model.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the reason why we haven't really done something like that right now, because it adds another layer of complexity to what we're doing.
Yeah,
sure. But it adds another layer of revenue immediately.
True.
Do you share the roadmap of the improvements you plan to make?
That's a good question. I'm looking into some of these tools like I don't know, Kenny and so on right now, where you have a public roadmap that you can upload on. We haven't implemented something like that. If you do, if you render a few videos, it will always you remember when you click export, there was this the emojis, right there, and this one asks you if how you would feel if you could no longer use TypeStudio. If you do that and then you do the next rendering, at some point there will be a little voting up votes for.
Oh, I see. Okay. I clicked again on export. Did it restart the export?
Exactly. It replaced all the changes you did now afterwards.
Oh, I see, because I made some changes.
Exactly. And now
yes, of course.
To export just like in video editing.
Yes, sure, exactly. sure. I export again. Okay,
you can't. You need to export the old film.
Yes, sure.
Exactly. We have to render all the text you edit and everything. But now, if you wait a second, it will actually be ready, and then we can go to the sharing screen, because there's also something we can talk about. But over here, you can also now duplicate the video if you want.
Yes, I've seen that. Yeah, duplicate here.
Yeah, okay. If you have one version for Instagram and one version for LinkedIn, for example, then you have one that's square.
Oh yeah.
And then another one that's maybe portrait or whatever. So yeah, that's another thing you can do in here.
You can choose the format, the exporting format video. You can choose, yeah.
But if I record with my smartphone, I get a smartphone format input video. I input a smartphone format video. So then I can edit it and export it in the same format. You don't add this ugly
Resizing.
black resizing. Okay.
No, you can decide that if you want to. So if you upload a portrait video, it will be in portrait mode in the editor. And then you can decide if you want to have it in square, and then you can resize it in the, like what you did earlier. Move it around, resize the video and everything.
Okay.
And the rendering will always look like what the preview looks like.
Ok.
Donc là, je suis avec vous. Hop, hop, hop. Tac,
Si c'est sur Instagram, c'est carré par exemple, donc il va forcément le couper en carré, quoi.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ok, got it.
So now you see
for Instagram, it's in square, no?
Exactly.
Okay.
For Instagram, it's square.
Remain square.
It cut
now you can see the little like green dot. Yeah, sorry.
Sorry, I'm switching to. I'm trying to switch to this. So I have just made a small smartphone video here. So it's not in yet. It will be in soon. Okay, super. Okay, we'll wait for it.
Yeah, sure.
No problem.
You can go back to the editor for once right now.
Yes, I can.
And then you see the the green dot right there. Sorry, yeah. And there you click Open Result, and that brings you to the sharing page where you see the rendered video. If you play.
Oh, what? Wait a minute. You can. Yeah. What is this?
Yeah, that's what you can use this page actually as a like sharing page when you share a WeTransfer or Google Docs link, and
like
it will
also
give you. Yeah, it will also give you the text with it, so you can give it a headline. And
so we can share the text before editing the video.
Yeah, you can now. If you go, you can like just look at the video again, like see all the edits you make, like with the subtitles and the
de logiciel fait en Allemagne par un mec qui a l'air très sympa, c'est Eric, et je suis connecté. Salut.
And I think you edit some text. That's not perfect yet. You didn't do like proper editing, but.
C'est juste. Yeah, no problem. That's just I'm not.
Just an example. Yeah.
Start. Okay.
And then if you go to the top right, it says private or public. And if you set that to public, this page is actually publicly available, and you can now click copy
the
link.
URL directly.
Yeah, exactly. URL, or if you click copy link under the video at the left, it will give you the link that you can share, that you can send to your coworkers or whatever.
Does it send a link with no
with the
thumbnail?
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
It is so cool to add a thumbnail.
Okay.
Ah bah oui.
Oh yeah, it's so cool. Of course, yeah. I'm training a lot of marketing and salespeople.
Yeah.
And marketers and salespeople, if they send a video, they don't want to send a link. They want to send a thumbnail. So,
the title.
Awesome.
You need
more impact. Otherwise, people might just miss the link because if it's a PDF, I don't want to click on it right now. If it's a video, I might want to see it right now in the email. So I need a thumbnail. That's
very good point.
Important. Otherwise, we don't know it's even a video. So
that's true. Yeah, I wrote that down. Then what you can also do if you click on copy link, you can like below the video, you can go down and then you can copy the snippet, and that actually gives you a iframe that you can embed into your website or into your blog. So you have this page as a like blog article on your website or blog.
That's nice.
And what that allows you to do, or what that allows your visitors to do, is to
got it.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly. And that gives them pretty much the same sharing page. And now you can actually go through the text in the video and click on a word in the text below, and that actually brings you to that second of the video as well. So the same connection in the editor is also.
C'est super. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh yes, awesome. Of course.
Thank you.
So this is great. So, but it's not intuitive enough. We don't know it's
That's
there.
True. That's true. We have to work on that, like that people understand that they can actually click in there.
Actually, the thing is, we should be able to edit this text here.
Okay, so if you want to correct it for the sharing page.
Not to correct it, but because we can click anywhere.
Yeah.
This is until now we had the raw text, right? The raw text, we could edit the video. But now we have an article that we are sharing. So we want to add a title, which is here, but we also want to add intermediary titles, paragraph titles.
Yeah. Okay, that's a great point.
And,
like subheadlines and stuff, or like
subheadlines,
yeah.
And then so if I have this, for example, here, okay, let's go to Word, for example. Where is Word? Here. All right, so let's go Fichier New. Okay, so what I would need to do is, what I'd love to do is, I'd love to say, okay, this is paragraph 1. We'll have a demonstration, and then say here, TypeStudio story. Okay. Sorry, who is TypeStudio? Okay. So because this is an article, so it might not appear in the video. I will not pronounce that, but with TypeStudio, how does it work, right? And if you allow me to add these titles, which are not in the audio, so it's editing the blog article to add headlines that are not in the audio, but these headlines are clickable.
Yeah, like the YouTube timestamps, pretty much.
Yeah, and this would be very, very intuitive, that you can click on the headlines to go directly to the moment in the video.
Yep.
It would be the most intuitive, much more intuitive than YouTube.
True. Yeah, that's very, very good. Great feedback. Thank you so much, guys. Actually, I am not sure if it helps me or you more to do this.
No problem. It's great.
Awesome.
Okay, super. Wow.
Yeah. And then also, like you see, like you saw, you can download the video and download the text from the sharing page as well. But
yeah, this is brilliant. Can you share so if you share the roadmap one day, I'd love to have a look at it, because awesome. I might be able to help. For example, can you share to somebody else? I work with Nicholas. I want to share the video link to Nicholas, and then he can modify the video and send it back to me with his edits. So it's not collaborative yet.
So yeah, exactly. Exactly. So you can share the rendered video, the finished one.
Yeah, got it. It's great.
Sorry,
Thank you very much.
My connection is a little bad, I think.
Yeah. You do one thing, but you do it very well. Awesome. Congratulations. And you do it multi-languages, which Americans usually do.
Great tool.
5 years later after launch. I have a question for you, which I ask a lot of people. What are the other video or tools that you would recommend? Like, for example, you mentioned Loom. Yep. Imagine I don't know Loom. It would be a great advice for you to say, oh, you should have a look at Loom. What are the other 2 or 3 tools I should have a look at, which impress you?
You mean in the editing field, or like
no, in the video, Visio, whatever, something with a screen and an image that moves.
Yeah, I mean, Loom is definitely one that we're using a lot as well. Also, wait, I just saw something cool some time back.
Sympa, Nicolas, non?
Ah, formidable. Mais j'ai une question quand même, à mon avis, qui pourrait être encore.
Ok. Attends, on attend les 2 trucs.
Ouais. C'est super cet outil, incroyable.
Super. Hein?
Ah ouais.
I mean, I guess you know Wistia for sharing, like for implementing, because exactly, I think they do a great job. Let's see.
So you understand, Eric, that the effort you're making right now, one day somebody else from Loom or Vistia will tell me your name. So that's great. Make the effort, because it's working the other way around.
That's true. But I don't want to share anything where you say at the end, no, that wasn't that great, or I want to, like, I saw one that's it's called Jitter.
Yeah.
Jitter. I will send you.
Ah oui, Jitter.
Oh yeah. Okay, super. Well, thank you. I didn't know Jitter. What does Jitter do? Do you know?
It's more like Zoom, no?
It's more for for animations and motion
okay.
design in video.
Okay.
So if you
motion
want to have
design.
anything,
Okay, super. Okay.
Okay.
So let me add one, which is a video ask. You might want to have a look at.
oh yeah, I heard of that. Have you used it actually? It's for implementing this video into the website, right?
Yeah, actually, you record a video, but people can reply with a video.
Oh yeah. Did you use that? Like, did it work for you?
I just tested it.
Okay.
But this is really cool. And
Awesome.
the other one I know is hold on. Another one you might love is where is it? Merde. Okay, hold on. Let my memory. C'est pas cristal, c'est si merde. What is the name of that thing?
Vidéo ask, c'est plus un truc de collaboration en fait, c'est ça en fait.
Video ask, tu envoies. Video ask, you send.
You send video messages.
You record a video.
Okay.
And people can reply with a video.
Okay.
So that's pretty cool. And the other one is, I don't know where it is.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, I can't find that. Oh yeah, I got it. Phonic. Yeah, here we go. You'll love that. Phonic. Phonic is a survey tool. You ask questions. You ask survey. You know Google Forms? Okay.
Yeah.
So you ask questions
of
with a video, and you tell to people you can answer with video, audio, or text. So if you just want to answer with text, you can use it. So it's just like Google Form. But if you want to record audio of your answer, you can. And if you want to answer video, you can. And video with screen sharing, you can. So that's a Google Form with video. That's quite cool as well.
Okay.
Awesome. Yeah, that's cool.
Super.
Thank you. Great. I haven't heard of that one.
Super. Hey, thank you guys.
I got a final question.
Yeah.
The final question is: can we record video directly?
No, that's very good. You mean like doing what Loom does in TypeStudio, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's
Why
also something we talked about, but that's a little bit more effort to build that ourselves, to build a recorder in TypeStudio. It would be very cool because you could transcribe the video while you're recording.
The same tool for everything.
Yeah. When do you buy Loom?
Yeah.
when do you? Yeah. When do you buy Loom?
Where are you based in Germany? Where are you usually based? Out of
we
Berlin?
are usually in Berlin.
Berlin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our office is in Berlin, and our we live in Berlin. Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
Super.
Guys, I have one more question for you. You said you're doing some like sales training, marketing training. What exactly is like what is it you guys do? Like,
I agreed to pay for this test subscription because I will talk about your tool to everybody I train. I train marketing and sales professionals, and so does Nicholas. And we train them about how to be efficient through a screen.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Yep. So we teach them about every tool we learn, and and how to use them.
Cool.
With impact. Yeah, with impact.
Yeah, and this tool, Nicolas, for INSEC, pour les capsules, would be great. Yeah, absolutely. Fantastic. Yeah. So we're training marketing and sales professionals. We're also training trainers,
teachers. Yeah,
teachers and trainers.
Yeah.
And so they need to have a very intuitive, very easy tool to do editing without all the hassle of Adobe and so on. Yeah, so that's cool. So we'll promote that and ask for a discount and ask for free plans and so on.
Yeah.
Great. Actually,
are you one of the founders, Eric?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, congratulations.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
thanks,
good
guys.
job.
Thank you for the great feedback and all the great help and ideas you brought in. That's also very helpful for us because if we build something that we think is cool, isn't as helpful as what you think is cool.
Yeah. Well, thanks for listening to this.
Very important.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Actually, one more thing, because you just mentioned the discounts, we do have a like affiliate program. So if you have like people who want to use it, you can.
Yeah, this is you. Sorry, I'm just recording your name.
Okay.
On my video recorder.
Awesome. So we actually have a affiliate program where I can give you a discount code if you want to let your marketers and salespeople use it. So
would love to. Yes, sure.
awesome.
Who gets the discount? Because most of the time, if the users don't get the discount, see, I'm not negotiating for me. I'm saying that if the users don't get the discount, we give them the tool's name, and nobody knows they came through our discussion. So
yeah, that's why we give you a affiliate code. So you will have your own like affiliate code.
Yep.
And if they buy the tool using your code, we will give you I think it's like $10 or $15 per user that you bring in.
Okay,
right
so
now.
we get rich, and
quick.
and but do the users get something? That's the point.
Yeah, they get 20% discount.
Oh, they get a discount. So yes,
Yeah.
I'd love to have that because we'll
Awesome.
we'll promote that. Yeah.
Cool. Great. I will send you. Let me write that down. I will send you your affiliate code afterwards. Do you have something like that you want the code to be? Like what should it say?
What should we say? It should say. Can you send us 2 codes? Do you mind? One for me,
Sure.
one for Nicholas.
Yeah, of course.
My affiliate code should just say this, Cugnet.
Okay. Great.
Okay. No, you know what? Yeah, should say that.
Okay, cool.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Nicolas, dans mon code affilié, est-ce qu'il vaut mieux d'un point de vue marketing que je dise cugner ou que je dise vendre à travers un écran?
Est-ce que c'est pas restrictif si tu restes juste sur vendre à travers un écran? En même temps, c'est ce que tu disais sur les thumbnails tout à l'heure. Hein.
À travers un écran?
C'est pas mal, à travers un écran, ouais. C'est pas mal.
Okay, let me give you the code if you don't mind. Yeah, this is not cugner. This is à travers un écran, which means through a screen.
Ouais.
Okay, cool.
This is my code.
Screen, yeah.
Okay, which one is yours, Nicholas?
That's the topic. Mine is la vache. Socrate.
Okay,
Ouais.
so Nicolas l'article. What's your email, Nicholas? Can you type this?
Yeah, sure.
So Nicholas' keyword is Socrate,
Mm-hmm.
and his email is coming right now.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And he is my first affiliate because he will sign up.
With pleasure.
Hey, you get 20%, my friend. You get 20%, Nicholas.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Actually, I will just send you the code, and then it doesn't have to be connected to the email address. You can just, if you give it to somebody,
got it.
It will automatically do that.
Okay,
but yeah, that's great. Yeah, Nicholas, you can already use it. That's true.
Okay, thank you.
Can't do anything about it, but it's great. Like, yeah, we also love to have people like promoting that, and they like also just get something from it.
Many publishers, many tool publishers have a special code for education.
True.
Because education allows to spread the word to hundreds of people and thousands of people. Do you consider you should have the same pricing, or do you have the same education pricing already?
So we don't have like one fixed one for education, but people who reach out to us and say, okay, I'm in education or nonprofit, we can make a code for them, like a specific code for them. If they talk to us, we sometimes ask for like their license or something like that, so that we get a proof that they are actually in education or something like that, or we do a quick background check, but then we can do that.
And usually you do what type of discount for them?
We do up to 50%, depends on like if it's schools or like nonprofits. That's up
the
to
point.
50%.
That's the point. Okay, good. Okay, super. Because awesome. we are both in that case. That's great, cool, and we will talk to teachers as well.
Awesome.
Superb.
Yeah. Great.
Eric,
cool.
Vielen Dank.
Oh, sehr gut. Gracias. No, that's Spanish, right?
Gracias. Yeah, gracias. Okay.
Spasiba.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The only German I know is ich möchte gerne eine Flasche Wasser, bitte.
Oh, Wasser.
Which means something I can't use on a video call. I would like to have a bottle of water.
I don't have one. I'm sorry.
Can't use that on a video call.
That's true.
All right. Hey, thank you so much. Congratulations, Eric. Keep going.
Guys,
that's great.
I enjoyed it very much. Thank you for all your feedback, and let me know if there's something. We are always in the chat on the bottom right corner, or
would love to. Yeah,
my email.
Superb. If you want to brainstorm ideas and so on, we love to do that. So don't hesitate, even though we're French. Are we the French customer in France?
The first? No, we actually have some customers in
Oh,
France
don't
as well.
mention it. Okay. Thank you.
Guys, thank you. Have
Thank
a great
you.
day.
See you. Bye bye,
Thank you.
Eric.
Bye
Bye
bye.
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 See you.
Bye.
Bye bye. On reste ensemble, Nicolas, si tu veux.
Avec plaisir.
Bye bye, Eric. See you
Bye. See you
soon.
guys.
Bye bye. Cheers. Arrête
Formidable.
l'enregistrement. C'est
Formidable.
vachement